It's a nice hobby if you like to sit on your fanny.
Were you ever a bird watcher?
Not really. I like to move my body.
Well, if you were going to go watching for birds, what kind of bird would be exciting to see?
I think the ones along the seashore.
Sandpipers, seagulls, pelicans.
Any of those.
Well, you're a beach baby, so that all fits in.
I think so.
How do you feel about ducks? Ducks, how do you feel about them?
About what?
Duck, a little duck. Quack.
They're charming, and every household that's old-fashioned should have a duck pond.
Wow. Okay, I have a question. You used to own a chicken store. Chicken
Yeah.
store? A chicken store. If you were looking at the chickens, is that considered bird watching?
No.
Why not?
Usually, if you're in the chicken business, you use it as a business. See that the thing is clean, well-groomed, and healthy and presentable.
Okay. So it wasn't a pet. They weren't your pets.
No, they weren't.
It was a business arrangement.
And it was a good business. Keep it clean, keep it palatable, and keep it presentable for the public.
Okay, but I have a question. You don't eat chicken. Does this have anything to do with your being in the chicken business all those years ago?
No, it has to do with my feeling about animal protection. I never cared to use animals for edible reasons.
Wow.
Wow.
You're an activist from way back.
This is how I felt all the time.
Okay, bird watcher. Thanks for your insight.
Thank you for asking.
See you next time.
She's sassy, smart, and oh so wise. Hooray! She's in her 90s, giving advice on life, love, and beauty. Advice! The adventures of Cutie.
Oh yes, adventures.